welcome back to the Marker Farm Brothers. Today, our Craftsman air compressor died. This is our new air compressor, and it is a Porter cable from Tractor Supply. This is the oil bottle that we got from the package. And here's the oil level. It wasn't quite enough to fill it.
So we had to go to Tractor Supply and get some more. So Trevor, go get the other bottle. Open the fill.
We have to fill the oil level up to halfway.
Is that good?
Does it have to be halfway?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that one? Okay. Good. Now we can try.
And now it's time to plug it in.
Remember, we farm, you eat!
Please hit that red subscribe button and like.